Hello friends, today we discuss how to solve this question. This is the very important question of the geometry and concept based of the triangle. Without wasting time, start the video. This is the question given in the form of figure and this is the triangle figure and the internal angle given that 60 degree and 70 degree and found out the internal angle x and also this is the y angle are called as external angle. Also find out the value of y. Before solving this question, we cover some basic concepts which are useful to solving this question. The concept is first the basic information of the triangle. That means any type of the triangle given that means if this type of the triangle or any other type of the triangle and internal angle A, internal angle B and internal angle C. And we know that all the internal angle sum equal to 180 degree. That means angle A, angle B, angle C equal to 180 degree. This is the basic property of that triangle. Now we discuss some second property which are useful to finding the value of y. That means if any line and other line this type, then this angle and this angle, that means if angle is this 1 and this angle 2, that means angle 1 plus angle 2 always equal to 180 degree. These are the two basic concepts which are useful to solving this question. Now use first concept to finding the value of x. That means angle 60 plus angle x plus angle 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. And here we know that x find out value, so x is remaining here and these are 60 and 70 transfer to second term. That means 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 70 degree. So we here subtract 180 degree to 60 degree minus 70 degree. We get first we add up these two terms. That means 180 degree minus 60 degree plus 70 degree. That means we get 180 degree minus 60 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 130 degree. And we subtract 180 degree minus 130 degree. We get 50 degree. That means x value is equal to 150 degree. Now we find out the value of y. So according to this property, we know 70 degree plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees. So here we get a 70 degree this side and 180 degree minus 70 degree is equal to here 110 degrees. So y is equal to 110 degree. That means 110 degree. And this type of the method you using solve this type of the every type of the question. This is the very simple method to solving this question. We met in the next video. For thanks watching.